ready. You know.
Hi guys, welcome back to Juice Guys. Today we are doing a challenge.
Woo!
Today I'm challenging my mommy.
We are playing Guess the Emoji Challenge. Whoever wins, drum roll, gets to Glop. Glop? Gloop? Glop? Gets the Glop. Glop. The loser. Alrighty, Nori's got one. Okay, a blue moon. So we got blue. Woohoo! So Nori has a point.
Sunglasses.
And I wasn't looking. It is sunglasses. Yay. Alrighty. This one-
Cowboy.
Cowbell.
Cowbell.
We'll keep up with the points up top. Okay, that is
Horseshoe. Horseshoe.
horseshoe. That is correct. It is horseshoe.
Okay.
So, horse. Alrighty. Hold on. Lemon cake.
iPhone.
Oh man!
Cowboy.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Candied apple. That's a point for me.
What's Apple BBB? Apple B. Apple boy. I mean Apple B.
I don't even know.
Apple BBB.
What's- Here, try putting that in.
Bees.
Okay.
Applebee's.
Applebee's.
Yes.
Oh, the restaurant. It is Nori. You got that. A point for Nori.
Okay. Stop it! I say it first. Okay? So,
Not going well for me. Okay. Wait before you hit the next one. I don't know where we are on points, but I think I'm losing. I really think I'm losing.
you're gonna be a loser.
I am today. Honeybee!
I say it louder.
Nori, can I have one? Because I'm losing. Can I have one? Can this be mine?
Sorry.
Oh no!
So it's honey. B.
Okay, wait. What
Oh
did
my
I?
God! I say it
I
louder.
said it first.
I say it louder.
Sorry. This is. Can I have this one? I just gotta be quicker. Get ready. Rainbow. Okay, I get a point. Finally, maybe I can catch up.
Sunflower. Sunflower.
I couldn't even get the words out. Oh my gosh. Fire! You said fire clock. That's a good guess. Fire alarm. I finally get a point. You guys, Nori is winning. I need to try to come back. Wedding wing. Ring. Wing. I said wing. Wedding ring. I did.
Picture.
It's family picture.
Is it family?
I know.
Yes. Xbox.
Oh man. I was about to say no box. I think we only have 2 more to go.
Apple TV. Apple TV first. Okay. Okay.
Okay, last one. No, you wait.
Garbage. I say it first. I win.
Nori wins, guys. Okay, wait. I'm not ready. Hold on. Okay, wait. I'm not ready. Let me just move. Okay, wait. Nori. Oh my gosh. You know. Oh my gosh. Okay, Nori. Okay. You have anything to say?
Tastes good though.
Really?
Yeah, you can taste it.
We hope you guys enjoyed our Guess the Emoji challenge video.
Make sure y'all guys like, comment, and subscribe. Maybe we can do more challenges.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye! Okay, let me clean you off.